Guys, today we're making more slime. Except for I'm making it with my cousin today.
I'm over here.
Over there, playing with my other slime. And we're going to be using the same school glue, except for this time. Instead of my recent slimes, I'm using Tide. And finally color it. I'm going to do purple first, and then I'm going to do pink. So I'll do one, and then you do one, and then I'll do one.
Was this eyeshadow?
It was the eye stuff, and then paint. I'm going to use this purple. It looks more neon. That's enough.
That's neon purple.
Yeah. It looks darker on camera. I don't know why. Where did that stick go? Oh, there it is. I know I'm mixing this first.
Why did I hear it?
Oh my god, my face is... I'm so cold right now still because we just now got out. Well, first we were at their house for Easter and playing outside, and then we came inside to wait for my mom to come pick us up again because there's a lot of kids already. There was like, I don't even know how many kids in the car.
20.
No, not 20. But there's like...
There was like 3 in the car at once.
Yeah, in the second drive, there was 3 kids, and then the first drive... Wait, if
There
so
was,
together...
There was 5 kids.
5... that would be 5 kids. 5 kids in the first drive, which isn't that much. There's only 1 extra person in the back. And, oh, that was a lot. I might have overactivated it, but it's okay because I got lotion. Sometimes the glue takes a lot.
What's that for?
Huh?
Why? You're over there mixing yours and make mine.
With what?
I don't know.
That you can't use that. That'll probably get stuck.
There's nothing in here. It's the bottom. What the heck? What the hell?
Okay.
What is
This is almost done activating, and I might need my lotion to underactivate it. But it is mixing together really well.
Tie to activate.
I think I overactivated it just a little bit. No, it's still sticky.
It's like that. You gotta like knead it so all.
Yeah, all of it gets in there.
Yeah.
And it's sticky. I thought it was going to overactivate. It's still so sticky.
Can you use that coconut thing?
The what?
Coconut thing, Bob? Use that. You gotta clean it up.
Yeah, you got to clean it really good after. This is turning out really pretty. I really like the color. Look at the color, Dana.
I'm probably gonna like dye mine with no color right now.
You're going to do it after? I think after it makes it more vibrant. Because I think that this changes it to blue. I want to look for, I want to tell my mom for my birthday to look for the clear Tide. They have clear Tide that doesn't change it.
Look, Mia.
That's what I want.
What do you use with this, Tide?
No.
What?
Air freshener. Except for it's empty now. Air freshener makes really, like, thick slime.
It kind of smells good.
I put for a few minutes. I don't know why.
It made it like it sounds like rubber, but it doesn't.
Oh, it's only been 3 minutes. I got a lot done in 3 minutes with this slime. Okay, this slime is almost finished. It feels really good. Is Miley downstairs? I'm sorry, we're talking about her family.
She went with your mom.
She did?
Yeah. For what?
She's probably getting candy, to be honest.
For walking.
Oh, it says.
No. I think pop.
You don't have no pop here.
Yeah, because your dad doesn't like you in that much.
He wants us to drink pop.
But
A lot.
Not.
He don't want us to drink a lot. But we don't. But we don't
I'm
even.
about to spray
I don't
some
drink a
in there.
lot. At least not me.
So it can make it sense.
Oh my God, Donna!
Well, that was
It's so good.
this one.
I don't know how Tide makes
This one's
slime so
good.
thick. Oh, that's mine. I think she really did just get me that for my room.
What?
Because I think that she's seen me using Airwick.
Jelly, can you give me something that's over there so I can mix this?
I'm lucky though because Easter's super close to my birthday. Jonna, you can come over on my birthday so we can make slime. And Maddie's coming so we can all make slime. My mom's going to do our makeup whenever
Can
all
you give me
okay.
the size?
Mine is still sticking a little bit here. You can use it, but I'm going to need it. I don't know how mine is still sticky.
It's like,
It's almost done. It's just a little sticky.
Oh.
Just keep touching the slime until it's all off. Here, just get off your hands now. Oh no, 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 that's bad. Johnny, Jelly, do something. Try to get off the towel.
I made so little.
That's why I put the towel there.
I made so little, and you made so much. I just want a little.
I use my whole bottle since
only,
I have another one. Do you get it? It's okay if you don't get it all.
I only
That's why I use. Tell them I need it. Need the tie.
Let me see.
It's all going all over
Okay,
again.
okay. It's gonna be liquid.
I need a little bit. I need a little bit. Only a little bit. There. I'm probably gonna need more, to be honest. Okay, part of it's done and then part of it's not.
It's like she did it at a different time.
Okay, this slime is turning out really thick, but it's not even like activating all the way. Oh snap! And then we'll show you my cousin's slime whenever she's finished too. Oh my God, Jonna. What is it?
Jelly's gonna have to pour in the side.
Huh? What?
You're gonna have to pour in the
Here,
side.
give me the tie. I have a clean hand.
Where?
I don't know.
It's all over here.
Right there. Jelly, get it.
Right by
Tie's
me.
right there.
First, can you pour me a little bit. In here.
Yeah, pour it down a little bit. Because hers is not, like, only a little bit, Jelly. There. Here. Here, I'll get it.
That sounds like Dave.
It's not.
Who is it?
I don't know. He ain't allowed around our house, though.
Yelling right now? Why?
I don't like him. I'll tell you in a minute.
Do you guys let you over at her house?
Yeah. I go there, like, every weekend. Oh my God, my hand is...
You just so probably her.
Okay, guys, so I'll make another video whenever we're finished with the slime, and we'll show you guys. Bye!